Maintenance isn't just a cost, it's an investment in performance. In facility management, how and when you maintain assets directly affects safety, occupant satisfaction, and the bottom line. It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about making smarter decisions to prevent failures before they happen. A building is full of moving parts, literally. From HVAC systems and lighting to elevators and water lines, everything requires upkeep. But how do you decide what to maintain, when to repair it, and what can wait? That's where a planned maintenance and repair cycle comes in. Facility managers use this cycle to create structure and predictability in building operations, while balancing cost, resources, and occupant needs. What is a maintenance and repair cycle? Think of it as a loop. A continuous process that includes assessing equipment and system conditions, determining maintenance needs and intervals, planning work and allocating resources, executing preventive and corrective tasks, gathering feedback and adjusting plans. This cycle helps keep buildings running efficiently, reduces the chance of unexpected failures, and ensures compliance with regulations. Finding the right balance, preventive versus corrective maintenance. There are different types of maintenance, and choosing the right one at the right time is critical. Planned maintenance. This includes preventive and predictive work that's scheduled in advance. Tasks are clearly defined, materials and labor are arranged ahead of time, and the goal is to prevent problems before they occur. Unplanned maintenance. Also called corrective or emergency maintenance, this happens after something fails. It's usually more expensive and disruptive, and it's what facility managers try to minimize. While you can't avoid unplanned maintenance entirely, the goal is to maximize scheduled, preventive actions and minimize surprises. A well-managed facility aims for that optimal balance, where reliability is high, and costs are low. What's included in the maintenance cycle? Maintenance isn't just nuts and bolts. The full cycle covers a range of operational areas, including system and equipment operations, upgrades, renovations, or moves, energy efficiency, waste management and recycling, fire and life safety, disaster recovery and building security. Each one plays a role in your O&M plan, and the maintenance cycle helps coordinate them all. A successful maintenance cycle follows a structured flow. 1. Set expectations. What does good performance look like? 2. Assess current conditions. What needs attention now? 3. Assign resources. Who's doing the work and with what tools? 4. Prepare the work plan. Schedule the tasks and timeline. 5. Review results and feedback. Did it work? What can be improved? This repeatable process helps facility managers turn reactive chaos into a proactive system. Maintenance is a strategic advantage. When done right, a maintenance and repair cycle doesn't just fix things. It improves performance, reduces costs, and builds trust with occupants and stakeholders. It's a core responsibility of every facility manager, and a critical concept for anyone preparing for the IFMA FMP exam. In our next video, we'll explore how to turn this strategy into action with a maintenance schedule that aligns daily tasks with long-term goals. Thanks so much for watching, especially to our returning subscribers. Your support keeps this learning journey going, and if you're new here, welcome. We're glad you found us. Subscribe now and follow this series to master every core concept of the IFMA FMP operations and maintenance module. Like this video, share it with your team, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions.